Okay guys, I'll be making mac and cheese today for dinner. I didn't say welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel guys. This is Marcia, Simply Cooking with Marcia Coore. I don't really like macaroni and cheese, but my kids like it. But today they feel for some macaroni and cheese, so I'm gonna do it for them. Cheesy macaroni and cheese, but I'm gonna put some seafood like shrimp in it. So I hope it comes out good. I don't like too much mac and cheese because it's too much cholesterol. I'm not full on all about cholesterol. Cholesterol.
Oh my gosh, Mom. Really?
Huh?
So we're melting
And
the
my
butter
daughter, my Shannon, they make the butter
to make the cheese sauce.
to make the cheese sauce. Okay, so if the macaroni not come out good today, I know for my fault.
Yeah, my fault either.
Shannon the cook.
Nuh-uh.
My daughter, Shannon cook the cook.
What you mean? So how you say?
Me dey watch her anyway, cause if me see things not go right, me dey take with the fork fan her.
This is fork, y'all.
Me dey take with the fork or the spatula, whatever that green sitting there is. Me dey take it with fan her. Cause me have to eat today. Cause that's the only thing I'm preparing. I'm not making any rice and peas and chicken today.
Good.
I'm just doing some seafood, mac and cheese.
Now we're about to put the macaroni up in here. We got the water boiling. We put a little bit of salt. So I can never find it. What, in the water? So she put salt in the water already, y'all. Alright, so I'm about to pour the macaroni in there. Alright. Gotta mix it up so it won't stick. I'm not gonna put no butter in it. So I'll probably let that boil for like 5 minutes. It's getting thick, as you can see. It's getting thick. We put some of this seasoning in it. That's a lot.
No make it That's too much salt. Me don't want no salt in it too much on it. That's too much salt. You know, so you can't put salt in that when me cook. You know that. That is too much salt because salt, the macaroni is already salt.
The macaroni?
Yeah, there was salt on it. I put some little bit of salt there.
I didn't even put that much salt in here, Mom.
Shannon, remember say cheese and salt, you know. Shannon, if you make me blood pressure go up and anything happen to me
Drink
today,
water.
me and your behind here,
Drink water.
Me and your body today.
How you gonna do something with your blood pressure?
I said, I'm not supposed to deal with salt.
Me either.
Okay. The next time I'm going to come out of my kitchen, I'm going to make my food myself.
That's wonderful. But right now, you say you wasn't feeling good, so I'm making it.
Yeah, but you must learn to take criticism.
Criticism? No, that makes no sense.
You must learn to follow direction, Shani. You know what I mean?
Old Bay, because we're going to put some shrimp. We're going to put some shrimp in it.
Some scrimp.
Some shrimp in it.
Some scrimp.
Oh my God.
We're going to put some scrimp in there.
Alright.
Look what me there, the munch pan. Lychee. This is not the best tasting lychee I've
pass for some of the cheese.
I've had.
It's supposed to be helping me, Mom, not show other people what you eat.
Because I'm not feeling good.
Well, then why are you still in here then?
Because I'm after to watch you come in and trust you.
Not really.
That is not liquid enough, Shani.
We're gonna put some sharp cheddar in here.
And please don't use all of it either.
I'm gonna put a little bit more like the regular milk in here.
That's what I told you before, but no, you wouldn't listen to me.
Regular milk.
You would not listen to me.
I said regular milk.
You wouldn't listen to me.
Regular milk.
You wouldn't listen. No, you cannot put regular milk because I'm going to be drinking it.
Then put some of yours. Come on, guys. This is what I gotta deal with on a daily basis.
Shannon, be quiet. You know I'm not supposed to eat certain things.
So that's why I said milk, regular milk, the milk that you gotta drink.
Unless you don't want me to taste it. How much you want me to pour in it?
Just pour until I say stop, stop.
That's not enough. You think that's enough?
Yes, it's wonderful. It's more than enough. It is more than enough. More than enough.
You don't have the right to that music. Missioning. This is my type of milk, guys. That's the only type of milk I drink.
Because if she drink the other kind,
I'm toast.
Gotta run out of here.
Lactose intolerant. It tastes so good. Want to taste it?
No, thank you.
Tastes good.
Alright.
You have to edit some of this.
You still talking in it. That's the part where I'm not getting.
I think I'm gonna sit down a little bit. Every time you say me don't sit down, I come right back.
I don't know why.
You come now, trust you with this coming on your arm.
I'm gonna add
Put the wrong thing in there.
a little more cheese.
Why is this phone going off like this? What boyfriend is texting you, Shani?
And this earphone?
Tell your boyfriend to stop texting you on Sunday.
Oh my gosh. Here we go. Who wants a mom? I'm
Tell your
selling
boyfriend
one.
to stop texting you on
I'm
Sunday.
selling a mom, y'all.
Because you're making creamy macaroni and cheese.
I'm selling a mother today.
Boyfriend? No boyfriend allow you up on Sunday because Shannon is cooking. And she can't be distracted.
This is the other cheese that I just put in.
She can't be distracted, okay? So no boyfriend text anytime after 5 o'clock. Anytime after 5 you know can text. Before? No. Thank you very much.
Text anytime.
No! Not when my food is preparing.
Text anytime.
Nada.
Because guess what? Most of the time, she's cooking anyway.
No.
I got a hiccup.
Yeah.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Starting to get cheesy, y'all. Look
I
at
think
that.
you
Look
want
at
something
that.
else tonight.
Starting to get cheesy. Cheesy.
Trying to me tell you, I don't want no white macaroni and cheese.
Cheesy.
So put the all the yellow cheese in there.
Cheesy. Cheesy. Cheesy.
You want this in it?
No. Cheesy. Cheesy.
Alright. I'm not concerted it.
Cheesy. Cheesy.
I think that is enough, Shani.
The cheese not even melted yet.
So turn up the heat a little bit more.
No, it gotta be low or else it's gonna burn. You want it to burn?
That's low.
Look.
Remember not on the other side of the stove.
If it burned, Mom, it's your fault, okay?
No, burn. It's not gonna
See,
burn.
y'all? She just stretched her hand
It's not gonna burn.
to turn it up. Okay? So if it burned, it's not my fault this time. So go and sit. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to pour.
Pour cheese. Pour cheese sauce. Pour cheese sauce. Hey. Pour cheese sauce. Pour cheese sauce. Hey. Pour cheese sauce. Hey. Hey. Pour cheese sauce. Pour cheese sauce. Hey. No, it's not.
Oh, look at that, y'all.
No, it's not.
Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. My mom's gonna be roasting some veggies in the oven too.
Veggie.
Y'all hear that?
You know what?
If you don't have this sound,
I'm waiting to hear what sound you're talking about.
you don't hear that.
Can't hear nothing at all. You probably have been waxing it.
You're a hater. Look at this, y'all.
Trying to put the blooming cheese in. I see.
Okay, all right.
Put some of the what do you call this? Spice in it. Pepper too.
Just added the shrimp, y'all.